Well, hey everybody, and welcome again. Me and Morgan today are over here at the Dolphin Pool. So that's over at one of the hotels located next to Boardwalk, and that's the big building, looks like a triangle. That's actually called the Dolphin Hotel. Now this is the pool out back. So this pool here is actually the biggest of the two hotels over here. So this one actually goes, it's actually several pools, and you can see the Swan Reserve in the background. Now actually keep your eyes peeled later on, because we're going to get that video out there also. We're going to be walking right over there after we're done shooting this big pool right here. Now this pool, what you guys are looking at right now, you can see it's got all these areas around the outside where you can rent these little canopies. So if you guys want to spend a little extra, you can have your own private little canopy. Otherwise, get here early and you guys can get yourself an umbrella. But you can see this is just a big rectangular pool. Same as always, you've got the 1 to about 5 foot deep pools. Now this is the standard basic looking pool. So if you guys just want to hang out here, this is one of the options that you can do. And you can see the hotels in the background there. And in the other side, you've got the Swan. So we're actually going to head our way over to the second part of this pool right now, guys. So hang on a second. So now we're coming out of that section, and they've got a whole nother little section over here. Now the funny part is this doesn't even end here. You've got this section, and then you're going to go behind it, and there's actually another pool back here. So when you really look at this pool, it's technically 3 pools in one, but you've got the big rectangle. You've got this guy here. This is one of my favorite looking. If I had to go to a regular pool, this here is pretty cool. Just with that big structure next to it and the way it's all laid out. It's actually, that's a fun looking pool, even though nobody's in it. That's a fun pool. But if you guys want even more excitement, walk around the corner and you've got this area. Walk down in pool. It's like a big lazy river out here. You've got your slide out here. You've got your waterfall out here. So it's a big setup of a pool. Lots of chairs. You've got lots of shady areas. And if you didn't really know about this pool, how would you if you don't come over and check out these hotels? So as always, get over here and check out these hotels. Go over to the boardwalk and then just walk around to the Swan and the Dolphin, guys. You've got the bridge that cuts up over top of this pool. You've got your tubes that come in. There's your waterfall right there. You can actually sit in the chairs underneath the waterfall. So this here, I'm gonna say this is probably one of my favorite pools. It's not like these themed out pools in Disney, but it's got a lot to do over here. It's got a lot going on. Now the thing is, you do have to be staying over here to use this pool, so you might have to take that into calculations. Do you mind staying over here at the Swan and Dolphin area, or is it more important to stay at one of the Disney resorts? But this pool is just incredible. You've got the waterfall coming down in there into that. That's just awesome. You've got another bridge on this end. The pool just keeps going around. You've got the slide up in the back there. We're going to head on down to the end of the pool in a second to give you an idea how big this pool is. I'm going to say it's probably equal to about the size of the Stormalong Bay pool over in the Beach Club Resort, in the Beach Club Resort next to the Yacht Club. So not the Beach Club Villas, just the Beach Club. That's the sand bottom pool. But as you guys can see, this is an awesome pool if you guys had that option to go on over here. But I do recommend checking it out, guys. So everyone that wanted this pool posted, here you have it. This is the latest for 2023, guys. See you on the next one.